Hi, I am Miriam Zylberglait. Everybody calls me Dr. C. I am a triple board certified physician in internal medicine, geriatrics, and obesity medicine, and also a chief well-being officer. Gut flora, probiotics, prebiotics, are those real? Do they really help? Are they important? Yes, these are some of the questions that we will be able to answer during our conference. But not only that, we will be also talking about how the gut flora, probiotics, and prebiotics may be connected with weight gain or weight loss, with metabolic conditions as diabetes, high cholesterol, and how the appropriate management of the gut flora could help us to achieve well-being, a better health, and long-term better outcomes. Join us and help yourself and your patients to achieve well-being by using the new information that we have about our gut flora and the use of probiotics. See you then.